Get ready to witness the future of road travel. The 2025 Luxury Motorhome is here, and it's redefining comfort, tech, and style on wheels. From smart automation to five-star interiors, this beast is your dream home on the move. Welcome to GYP Auto, your trusted source for honest and in-depth automotive reviews. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 Luxury Motorhome and engineering marvel that combines advanced technology, world-class comfort, and unmatched mobility. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a full-time road warrior, this motorhome is designed to elevate your journey to a whole new level of luxury. The exterior of the 2025 Luxury Motorhome is nothing short of futuristic. With sleek aerodynamic lines, integrated solar panels, and bold LED lighting systems, it commands attention wherever it goes. The lightweight but durable composite body ensures better fuel efficiency without compromising on strength or design. One look at this motorhome and you'll know it's built for performance and presence. Step inside. You're greeted by a spacious, intelligently designed interior that feels more like a penthouse than a vehicle. The living space is equipped with state-of-the-art recliners, a smart entertainment system, and ambient lighting that adjusts with your mood. The use of high-end materials, leather hardwood, and brushed steel creates an environment of pure class. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, convection oven, and custom cabinetry. It rivals many residential setups. And yes, it's fully voice-controlled through integrated smart assistants, making your cooking experience both easy and high-tech. The bedroom offers a king-size memory foam bed, adjustable lighting, and even a retractable ceiling screen for entertainment. Add in the soundproof insulation and dual-zone climate control, and you've got a peaceful retreat no matter where you're parked. Let's not forget the bathroom, a full-sized luxury spa setup complete with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and even a smart mirror that gives you news, weather, and traffic updates while you get ready. Driving this luxury beast is a pleasure in itself. It's powered by a hybrid DC-electric engine, offering both power and efficiency. Advanced driver assist features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras make long drives safe and stress-free. In short, the 2025 Luxury Motorhome is a rolling masterpiece that turns every journey into a five-star experience. From design to functionality, it checks every box for those who refuse to compromise on comfort while exploring the world. Thanks for watching. It's GYP Auto. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest auto insights delivered straight to your screen.